Okay, just wanted to tell you how soapy you make the connection. See that right there? That's how soapy you want it. You want it totally saturated with soap to see if there's any bubbles. And this, like all the other connections, were fine. I just wanted to share that with you, just so you could see how soapy you should make it. And here's the preparation. It's 50% Dawn and 50% water. That's about it. Okay, today it got really cold in New England, and the temperature went down to about 60 degrees, so I decided to turn on the heat, only to find out there really wasn't that much heat coming out of it. It was very lukewarm. Anyway, I do have another dual zone system, and I did a temperature check on it, and I found that when it was blowing out hot air, it was approximately 100 degrees, give or take. Anyway, so this one I checked out, and this one was only blowing out. This is the 4-zone unit that you're looking at, their handler at least. And this one was blowing out at about 73 degrees. So I added another half a pound of Freon, and then it went up to about 80 something degrees, and then I added another half a pound, and it went right up to about 100 degrees, the same as the other dual zone. So heat is basically the temperature indicator. And let me see what this says now. Well, I heated it up again. I turned it off a little bit, so now it's at 90, but it's climbing really fast. So it's 100 degrees. That's what you want to get it to. And the cooling temperature, let's go to one of the units that's working correctly and see, and I'm going to check out the temperature on that just to help you out. Okay, here's the unit that has been working flawlessly. Anyway, let's see what the temperature is on this thing. Yeah, it goes down to about 55 degrees. So I guess 55 degrees is how cold it should be getting. And this is working correctly. And the heat was 100 degrees when I checked it out before. Anyway, just wanted to share this.